Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. I return with a new video, and this video I'm going to show you how to input or put a picture to or on a tape or text like this with Adobe Photoshop. Just follow me in the first time, going to new file and default Photoshop size and create. Now going to the toolbar and getting the text or T tool, and here changing a color. You can select any color. I just selecting a green color for example, and click here at the color. So click to the OK or add the OK, and here get a size. I am advising you select a 150 or 150. Or so in here you can get a style. Okay, I advising you getting the simple. Okay, and now click and anywhere from the whiteboard and start taping. So now go to the toolbar and get the moving tool and resize the text and make a big text. So now with a control and moving the mouse you can resize, free sizing. Okay, so now you can just save the project from your files, your computer, with JPG tape and rename any name. Because I saved the project, you can see here I just cancel. You can just save. So last you saved, you can closing the window and going to the open and getting your saved project. So now just go to the toolbar and get the selection tool and get the quick selection tool and unlock the picture in here. So start selecting, just select tapes or text, and now press the delete button on your keyboard. Okay, so and now when you make it the text without color, go to the file and get the picture you want to putting to off the text and move and drop here. Okay, so if you focus in here you can see the text. Just resize the picture and now move the picture, first picture, to the or under the layer, and in here you can see it's make it. So this review is come to end. So I wish if you love it, don't forget like and share for more peoples, and subscribe my channel for see no videos and next time. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.